Get ready, Primeflix fam. The hunt is back on the day of the Jackal Season 2 is coming in hotter, deadlier, and smarter than ever. With a new web of conspiracies, international chases, and a Jekyll that refuses to be caught. The season promises to blow your mind. Think you've seen it all? Think again. The world's most elusive assistant just level up. And are you ready for the kill? Hold on, did you really think the Jackal was done? Think again. The most enigmatic assassin in modern TV is coming back, and this time it's personal. Season 2 of The Jackal is officially on the way, and Eddie Redmayne returns deadlier, darker, and more determined than ever. So, what's brewing this time? $100 million betrayal? After being double crossed by Timothy Winthrop, the Jackal isn't just out for money. He's out for revenge. And that's just the beginning. While the world believes he vanished into thin air, the Jackal is secretly rebuilding, setting traps across Europe and hunting those who burned him. But here's the twist. His wife Nuria is back in the picture, and she's holding secrets that could break him or bring him redemption. Will love clash with the vengeance, or will both explode at once? Bianca Pullman, remember her? She might be gone, or is she? Rumors say MI6 isn't done with her yet. Could she rise from the ashes to stop the Jackal one last time? Season 2 will dig deeper into his shadowy past, expose the real meaning behind Gary's disappearance, and introduce the ruthless new assassins who want the Jackal dead before he gets his revenge. And let's talk global. The season might take us from the alleys of Berlin to the beaches of Bali. This isn't just a sequel, it's a worldwide manhunt and everyone's target. So brace yourself. Season 2 is not just a continuation, it's a war between ghosts of the past and monsters of the present. And the Jackal, he's about to show the world why legends never die. They just reload. Don't blink, the hunt has only begun. So are you ready to dive into a world of secret strategy and unstoppable suspense? Because season 2 of The Day of the Jackal is about to turn up the heat like never before. Don't miss a moment of the action. Subscribe now to Primeflix TV for all the latest updates, breakdowns, and thrilling theories. The Jackal is back, and this time no one is safe.